Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Maths Genius. Today we are going to start with a new topic and the topic is comparing Indian and international number system. In the previous two videos we have learnt about Indian and international number system. Today we are going to compare the Indian and international number system. Let us first write down the Indian system. The Indian system starts from ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Now let us move to the international number system. International number starts with ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Now here they won't get lakhs, they are going to get 100,000. No 10 lakhs, it will be million, 10 million and 100 million. Now as you can see in the previous videos also I have told you that these place values lie under certain groups. So ones, tens, 100, this place value lies under the period of ones. 1,000 and 10,000 lies under the period of thousands. Lakhs, 10 lakhs lies under the period and the group of lakhs. Crore, 10 crore lies under the period of crore. When we talk about international number system, ones, tens and 100 lies under the period of ones. 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. Here the division is always with 3, 3, 3. Here the division was 3, 2, 2, 2. This lies under the period of thousands. Million, 10 million and 100 million lies under the group of millions. Now what is the basic difference between Indian and international number system comparison when we are doing? That when we do comparison between Indian and international number system, we put commas to read the numbers. So once the groups get over, after ending of each group we are going to put a comma. Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, ones, tens, 100, comma. Here as you can see 3, then 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Here one group gets over, so comma, million, 10 million and 100 million. Now when we are comparing these two, as you can see there is ones, ones, tens, tens, 100, 100, 1,000, 1,000, 10,000, 10,000. Till here everything is similar. But when we move to 100,000, now here 100,000 will be equal to 1 lakh. So if I say 1 lakh is equals to how many thousands? The way is very simple. First you are going to write 1 lakh. These type of questions are there in your exercise 1 also. How you are going to do these type of questions? First you are going to put the place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. Here let us put the value 1 lakh. Now they are saying dash thousands. Now once we compare it with international number system, ones, tens, 100, 1,000. Now as you can see there are 4 digits. After that 10,000, 5. Now in order to get lakhs, so how many thousand should be there? So we are going to write it as 100,000. As you can see, ones compared with ones, tens with tens, hundreds with hundreds, 1,000 with 1,000 and lakhs with 100,000. So 1 lakh is going to be equal to 100,000. Now the next type of comparison that we are going to do is, if I tell you find the first term that is there in your book also, to compare the numbers. For example, 1 lakh is equals to 1 lakh is equals to dash 10 thousands. पहले हम यहाँ पे 1 लाख लिखेंगे. ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. In order to make my work more easy, I am putting the place values. अब मुझे यहाँ पे 10,000 लिखना है. 10,000 के लिए पहले मुझे 1000 लिखना पड़ेगा. 1000 के लिए वंस, टेंस, 100 और 1000. अब 10 है तो 0 एक और एक 10. So we are going to write it like ones, tens, 100, 1000 and this is 10,000. Now you can see in order to get 10,000 from in how many 10,000s are there to make it 1 lakh. You can see how many zeros do I need to add here. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4. तो मुझे इसमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, कितने जीरोस के साथ इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. विद विच नंबर शुड आई मल्टीप्लाई so that I get one more zero. So I need to multiply it with 10. So 1 lakh will be equal to 10,000s. So you're going to get your number like this. Let's talk about another example. The next example is, if I say 1 crore is equals to dash 10 lakh. सबसे पहले you put down the place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Here put down the place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. अब आप देखोगे 10 lakh and crores. Since you know that we need to compare this, if you can say 1 crore is equals to how many 10 lakhs. अब अगर आप यहाँ पे देखोगे तो हमें जब भी हम टूवर्ड्स लेफ्ट मूव कर रहे हैं, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 करते हैं. 0 once multiply by 10 will give you 10. 10 multiplied by 10 will give you 100. 100 multiplied by 10 will give you 1000. 1000 multiplied by 10 will give you 10,000. 10,000 multiplied by 10 will give you 1 lakh. 1 lakh multiplied by 10 will give you 10 lakhs. अब 10 lakhs को हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि हमारे पास करोड़ आ जाए. लॉजिकली जब आप मूव कर रहे हो आपको पता लग चुका होगा, बट स्टिल अगर हम यहाँ पे देखें तो इफ आई पुट द नंबर्स 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, this is my 1 crore. I want to make it, I want to see how many 10 lakhs will combine. What should I combine so that I form 1 crore? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So with which number should I multiply so that I get equivalent to 1 crore? That means how many zeros are missing? 1 zero is missing. That means I am going to multiply it with 10. So in order to add one more zero. So 1 crore is equals to 10 lakhs. Because मैं 10 lakh में अगर मैं 10 से और multiply करूँगी तो मेरे पास 1 crore आ जाएगा. This is how you are going to compare the numbers using place value chart. Now let us compare both the charts. Once again, when I am comparing both the charts, if I say ones is equals to ones, we have tens also here, we have hundreds also here. When we move to 1000, we have thousands also here, we have 10,000 also here. But as we go further, we do not have 100,000 here, we have 1 lakh. So 1 lakh will be equal to 100,000. 1 lakh will be equal to 100,000. 1 million will be equal to 10 lakh. 1 million, you can see, will be equal to 10 lakh. If I talk about 10 million, it will be equal to 1 crore. 10 million will be equal to 1 crore. And if I talk about 100 million, it will be equal to 100 million will be equal to 10 crore. So you can compare your Indian and international place value system in this way. No need to worry that how we are going to put the values. The first and foremost step to compare is to put down both the place value chart, and then you can compare how many 100,000s are there in 1 lakh, how many millions combined to form 10 lakh. So you can compare in this way. But the basic rule that you need to keep in mind is that in Indian system of numbers, the commas are 3, 2, 2, 2, and in international number system the commas are 3, 3 and 3. It goes like this. Do not place the commas in a haphazard manner. Always put the place values and then place commas into the numbers. Now one more thing that I need to tell you regarding the numbers using both the systems. If I tell you write down the number name of this given number, first step is to put down the place values. If I tell you write down an Indian system number, Indian numeration, so you are going to write it in this way. You are going to put the place values ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. As you can see, ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, and crore. So the number will become 5 crore 73 lakh 42,000 689. As you can see, 5 lies under the period of crores. So 5 crores 73 lakhs, because 10 lakh and lakh belongs to the period of lakhs. 42,000 because 1000 and 10,000 lies under the period of thousands. 689. This is Indian system of numeration. So what is the basic thing I have done? First I had to write down the place values. Then I place the commas for it. Now the next, if the same number I tell you to write down in international number system, it is also similar, but there is a little bit different that you are going to place the commas as well as the place values in a different way. Let us see how we are going to put the place values. Okay. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Now it will come million, 10 million. Just put down the commas. Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million, 10 million, comma. Now as in I told you, you have to write down the numbers. You are going to get the names of their groups. So million and 10 million belongs to the group of millions. So we are going to write it in this way. 57 million 342. We are going to read it as 342. 342, and it belongs to the group of thousands. 689. 689. I hope the concept of writing the number names is clear to you. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is how to find the expanded form of the given numbers according to Indian and international number system. I hope the comparison is very much clear to you. How to compare the Indian and international number system. Remember under which period they are lying and where to put commas. Now the next topic that we are going to start is expanding form of the given numbers according to Indian and international number system. Okay. Expanding form. Now, by the word expanding form, expanded form, or we call it as expanding form also, it is very simple word. Expand means stretch karna. So when a number is given to you in this much size and you need to stretch, that is called the expanded form of the number. So we can write it as expanded form also or expanding form also. Now, if I tell you 543, write the expanded form of this number. It's very simple. सबसे पहले यू गोइंग टू राइट वंस टेंस हंड्रेड, उसके बाद इसे एक्सपैंड करना है, यानी कि एक्सपैंड मीन्स यू नीड टू स्ट्रेच इट आउट. स्ट्रेच इट आउट मीन्स इसको और बड़ा करना है. हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू मेक इट लिटिल बिट लेंथी? जस्ट टेक द फर्स्ट नंबर 5. अब हंड्रेड में कितने जीरोज होते हैं? 2. पुट 2 zeros. नेक्स्ट साइन विल बी प्लस. नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 4. टेंस में कितने जीरो होते हैं? 10 में 1 प्लस 3 में वंस में कोई जीरो होता है? नहीं होता है. सो 3. दिस इज द एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म. सो यू कैन सी इतने से नंबर को मैंने इतना कर दिया. सो आई एम एक्सपैंडिंग. इफ यू आर स्ट्रेचिंग रबर बैंड तो वो एक्सपैंड हो जाता है, बट जब उसे हम छोड़ते हैं तो वापस उतने साइज पे आ जाते हैं. सिमिलरली अगर इस नंबर को हम ऐड कर देंगे तो वी आर गोइंग टू गेट द सेम नंबर बैक. So this is the standard form and this is the expanded form. But these are smaller numbers. But if I give you a larger number, let's take the example of a number 5, 9, 4, 3, 7, 6, 2, 1. And I tell you write down the expanded form of this according to Indian number system. Question ध्यान से सुनना. Write down the expanded form of this number according to Indian number system. बहुत simple है. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Now place the commas 1, 10, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, and crore. Very simple. I told you पहला नंबर एज इट इज लिखो. अब करोड़ में कितने जीरोज होते हैं? काउंट कर लो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just put down the commas accordingly. Plus next digit. How many zeros are there in 10 lakhs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just put the commas. Now the next number 4. How many zeros in lakhs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just put down the commas. Plus next number will be 10,000. 3. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is plus. Next number is 7. How many zeros after this? 1, 2, 3 because 1000 has 3 zeros. Plus 6. 100 has 2 zeros. Plus 2. 10 has 1 zero. Plus 1. This is how you are going to expand a number according to Indian and international number system. Expanding a number related to international system is also similar, but the only difference is all about commas. Now there are sometimes we get confused that करोड़ में कितने zeros आएंगे या 10 करोड़ में कितने आएंगे. तो बहुत सिंपल होता है. आप बस फर्स्ट डिजिट लिखो, उसके बाद जितने भी डिजिट्स हैं उतने काउंट करके नंबर ऑफ जीरोस लिख लो. 9 है, उसके बाद कितने डिजिट्स थे? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. सो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 के बाद कितने डिजिट्स हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. सो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. दिस इज अ शॉर्टर वे टू डू एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म. लेट अस डू द एक्सपैंडिंग फॉर्म ऑफ अच्छा, let us compare. We are going to do the expanded form of this number only, but on the basis of international number system. अब सेम नंबर को अगर हम इंटरनेशनल नंबर सिस्टम में लिखें, 5, 9, 4, 3, 7, 6, 2 को अगर हम इंटरनेशनल नंबर सिस्टम में लिखते हैं तो एज यू ऑलरेडी अवेयर, फर्स्ट पुट डाउन द प्लेस वैल्यूज. वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now there is no 100. There will be no lakhs. There will be 100,000 and then million. Put the commas. Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, and million, comma. Now you need to put the expanded form of this. So 5, first number as it is. Count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 9. Next number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus next number is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus next number is 3. 1, 2, 3. Because there are 3 digits after 3. Next number is 7. Then 2 digits. Plus 6. Then 1 digit plus 2. Now we have missed one number here, but no issues. Let us take this as another example. Now we are going to see that both the numbers, there is only one difference between the numbers, that is we are going to place the commas in a different way. Here we are going to place the commas with 3, 3 distance, not 2, 2 distance, not 3, 2, 2. So you can see when you are expanding the numbers, it's very simple. Place the one number and put the zeros according to the given numbers. So this is how we are going to do expanded form. So in this video we have done comparison between Indian and international number system. We have done how to write number names based upon Indian and international number system. We have done the expanded form of the Indian and international number system. With the help of this, you will be able to solve exercise 1.2 that is there in your NCERT, because it is all comparison writing the number names. In the next video, we are going to start with the topic of estimation, which is also very easy topic. I hope it has helped you a little bit, and if it's beneficial for you, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for the same.